Change My Life 180. Today we're doing another review and it is Church's chicken. Woohoo!
Okay, well, let's open it.
Yeah, we made an order for $72 in total and we are going to review it. And let's begin with this bag.
Okay,
what
so
is that?
First thing.
Okay,
wow.
it's a wrap. So this one is $6.25. It's their Church's chicken wrap. So let's take a look. What do we get for $6.25?
The packaging is cool.
Yeah, like it has some weight to it compared to other wraps. Usually they're quite light. This one has some weight, but it's $6.25 on the other hand. So let's open that guy up. Woohoo! And let's see, what do you have inside?
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's semi-big wrap. Let's cut it and see. There we go.
Oh! So there's tomato.
Yeah, here, grab
What
one.
is this, Mexican?
No, it's just, it says Tex wrap.
Oh, okay.
A little bit about Church Chicken. It's one of the 3 big brands for fried chicken over here. We reviewed the other 2. You can take a look at the other videos. And let's review the 3rd one and see how it stands up against the other ones. I'm gonna give it a bite.
This is really good.
Oh wow! It's good.
The sauce is the right amount.
The chicken is not dry.
The chicken is very good.
It's crunchy and everything. That's the first time I actually like a wrap.
No, I like how they put cheese on the chicken, so.
Yeah. It's crunchy. It's not bad. I was expecting to be bad. You know, $6.25, I would buy it again. You have the cheese, the mayo, tomatoes, lettuce. It's not a bad wrap at all. Usually wraps for me are big fails, but they really did a good job. Anyway, let's move on to the next item. We have a hungry teenager right now.
No.
Let's take a look what we have here. And this...
Barbecue.
What do you mean barbecue?
BBQ.
Oh, barbecue. So that's mean it's the BBQ Sandwich. $7.50 just for the sandwich. Let's take a look.
The packaging is... Oh,
it's small. But you can see the bacon. You can see... Oh man. Have you ever seen any bacon in the... KFC? I never seen the bacon in KFC. You have the cheese, you have the bacon,
the sauce.
and have the sauce. Oh, it looks good. It's small, but it's
How much?
$7.50.
So it's not $10, which is good.
No, exactly.
Okay, well, you can have that.
Yay! Here, let's cut it another one time. Yeah, it's okay. Have it. Let's give it a quick taste.
Oh, it's warm.
And it's warm and it's nice. Huh? It's good. You can taste the barbecue.
I personally don't like barbecue a lot, but this is really good.
Well, it's not the best. But it's not a bad sandwich. You know what? Now, on the second thought, I think I prefer the wrap a little bit more.
It's bigger.
Yeah,
it's $6.
Yeah, it has a little bit more tastier. Maybe I'm not a big fan of barbecue. Maybe that's why. I actually do like barbecue, but this barbecue sauce, it wasn't like to my liking. I did like the wrap way better.
Bacon really did it.
Yeah, it's a good sandwich, but it's. I feel like KFC sandwich is a little bit more tastier. I'll give it another try to another sandwich.
No, the meat is juicy.
Yeah. No, it's debatable. I feel like KFC is more plain, but for some reason the sauce, like, you know, they have that special sauce over there, is way better. Anyway, let's go to the next guy. And the next guy, what do we have here?
Texas, I think Texas.
So it's this Texas Supreme Sandwich only. It's $6.50, so it's about the same. It's the same price as the wrap.
But this is way heavier than the other one, and
Oh man, oh, it has some weight. Has
so
a lot,
what's
so it has a different chicken
meat?
piece.
Yeah, there's sauce, tomato. Looks good.
Yeah, let's give it a cut and taste it out. It's one. I'm gonna try to cut it in 4 pieces this time,
Yes.
and that's 2.
Wow.
You go
Okay,
ahead.
well, you can see the juices.
Yeah, the chicken is quite, frankly, looks good.
And it's not cold.
No, let's give it a try.
Oh, this is spicy.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
Oh.
Mmm. Delicious. Mmm.
Wonderful.
Das ist вкусно.
Oh my god, it's good. What is this sauce? This spicy sauce is amazing. It's garlicky, but it's not garlicky. It's very spicy. It's like I feel the heat. Oh yeah, I think that is my sandwich. It is my sandwich. No, that's my sandwich.
You said you like the wrap.
No, I like the sandwich better. Let's go for the next try. Oh man, that was a good sandwich. I'm definitely going back for that sandwich.
That was very good.
That was very good.
The spicy.
The spicy sauce.
Juicy.
Wow. And what do we have next? And next we have...
Well, how can we eat other stuff now from the sandwich?
Oh man, the sandwich was delicious. Chicken tenders. And it came with sauce. So let's see what sauce do we get. So you have, oh, this is the same. You have the ranch, and the barbecue, and we have the honey mustard. Oh man, the sandwich was good. Sorry. No, I'm not sharing the sandwich. No, it's my sandwich.
Yes, you are.
No, I am not. That's my sandwich. Go back to this review. Should have got another sandwich. Man, that sandwich is good. Anyway, let's go. What do we have here? It's the chicken tenders are... Give me a second. This one, I don't see the price. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's a bit pricey. $9.25. You know what? I will go with the sandwich anytime. It doesn't look really...
The sandwich was like $7.
I guess it has more meat to it. Maybe that's why. Like it has
Sandwich would be more filling and cheaper. So if you are going for the cheapest option.
The sandwich is $7.50. Yeah, back to the tenders. Chicken tenders. And here are the sauce. And I'm gonna try the sauce as well.
We can have it.
Yeah, let's have it. Oh man, it's a good tender chicken. You know,
This
looks
is
like
good.
it's good. Yeah, it's a good fried chicken place. I'm surprised that I didn't order there. Oh, I think we ordered there once. Huh.
I don't like ranch.
I like crunch. I like the chicken. Very juicy. Crunchy and juicy at the same time.
This is a bit colder though.
Well, honey mustard is like honey mustard everywhere. Honey mustard is the same as everywhere else. And
Barbecue is the same. Awesome.
not a big fan of barbecue. I do like barbecue sauce, but this one is a bit... It's like in a sandwich. Not all barbecue sauce are the same, right? So this one is not really my taste, but the ranch is good.
The chicken is good, but
Ranch.
for $9,
It's a little bit pricey side.
It is. Next.
Yeah.
I like their packaging. It's really
Yeah, the packages they do
stylish.
have good packaging. So let's take a look what it comes with. The bucket. So we order as well a bucket. So it comes with coleslaw, French fries, all spicy, and non-spicy. So this whole order right
This
here is $39.
This bucket.
So all this is for $39. What do you get for $39? You get,
Oh.
oh
what is
man,
this?
I don't know.
What is this? Is that honey?
Oh, I think I wanted to order French fries, but they gave me this bread instead of French fries. Oh, I wanted to order.
Oh yeah. I think they mixed up.
They mixed up. Yeah, I wanted French fries, but they gave me this. Well, good enough. I'm gonna review their bread because I wasn't quite sure about this honey. Unfortunately, there is no French fries. And here is the coleslaw. So all this order is $39. It's 12-piece combo. So what do you get for 12-piece combo? Let's give it a try to the coleslaw. I am a big fan. You know, this coleslaw is 10 times better looking than KFC because it looks like a real salad and not mass produced.
I don't like coleslaw, so let's just.
But it tastes the same as KFC. It looks better, it tastes the same. You know what? It's the sugar. They put lots of sugar because when you do coleslaw, you have to add sugar, and they a little bit overdoing with the sugar. It's good. Don't get me wrong, it's good, but I do like a little bit less sugar in my coleslaw. Now let's give it a try to this bread.
What is it?
Here,
Is that honey?
yeah, honey and bread.
Bread and honey?
It's weird.
No, it's bread, butter, and honey. You should know. It's good.
I think yeah. I don't like it. It's not bad. I just don't like it. It's my personal thing. Just bread with honey drizzle on top. It's warm. It's quite warm though.
Feels like
That's
it's
why I wanted-
fresh out of the oven.
Yeah. Not bad, but interesting. Interesting. Very interesting. Oh, well, let's try their main thing, their chicken. So we have the regular chicken right here. You wanna share? Let's grab this piece and share the chicken. So, and we'll have.
Oh, this is regular and
And this is spicy, yeah. So we have the spicy over here.
But you can see how.
Yeah, the darker is the spicy, the lighter is the non-spicy.
Okay, well, let's see.
Yeah, you cut. There's bones over there, so just tear it open.
I'm gonna try.
You just grab a piece like that. Just bite in it. Just bite.
No,
bite.
just grab
Bite it.
grab
Bite it. Here.
Grab it.
Okay,
Grab
fine.
it. Nice.
Let's give it a try. The other. Juicy.
I like it juicy.
I like it more than Five Guys. Remember the Five Guys?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
I do like it more than Five Guys. Oh my god.
It's so wet.
It's so juicy. It's not oily outside, but inside so much juice.
Amazing.
This is a good fried chicken. Do you think it's more juicier than KFC?
KFC, yeah.
Oh my, I think I have a new contented. I like this place. It's well, okay. It's we're gonna reserve our verdict at the end. Let's give it another try to the spicy one.
Oh, it's also juicy and hot.
Oh, and it's hot.
You can see the
Steam. Here, that's the spicy part. Let's try.
Let's see. Oh, it's really hot.
It's very boiling hot. Oh, do you feel
I
the
don't
spicy?
feel the spicy.
Me neither. You know, I would go with the regular one. If I wanted spicy chicken, I would go with KFC. KFC has a more spicy. Oh wait, I spoke too soon. My tongue. Oh, okay, it is spicy, but it's different spicy than no. Oh, it is spicy.
I don't feel it. I don't feel it.
I feel a slight burn on my tongue. Very
This is
light.
so juicy.
It's a good
Oh, it's really hot. No. Hot,
No.
but like hot.
hot, but not spicy hot. It's not burning, but it has a slight like you can feel the heat. There is some heat in it. It's not burning hot.
I feel like it just came from the
Oven. No. There is a little bit of spice. I can tell you. Yeah. It's. You know what? I'm gonna give it a verdict. What do you feel about it? Like, let's talk about taste. Taste is it's like 10 out of 10 for me. Well, I'm exaggerating, but taste is very good. The sandwich is like, oh my god, this sandwich is so good. This one I'm not sharing with anyone. No, the sandwich is very good. The chicken overall is very good as well. I want to say taste-wise, I want to go with, I don't know, an 8 or 9 maybe. For cake,
I go for a 9 because this
Yeah.
is like so far the best chicken I had.
price-wise is a bit pricey. Not by a lot, but it's a little bit more pricey than KFC.
It is
A little bit more pricey. So I want to say overall, I want to give it an about
8,
8.
7.
No, yeah, 8. I think I will go with an 8 overall.
I would give it an 8.
Yeah, it's a very good. I'm becoming a new fan of this Church's chicken. I haven't tried it a lot before, but now they convert
have
me.
proved you wrong.
Yeah. They convert me. So it's a very good place. Again, it's a solid 8 from me. Price-wise and taste-wise is like it's really good. Anyway, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that bell button. Comment down below what you want to see next, and we'll see you on another episode next week. Bye, guys.
Bye.